Bad news on the TV. Bad news at our door. Oh, say can you see the sickness and despair? For these are the days of multiplying numbers, questions with no answers, and silences for missing persons. Oh, say can you hear the shrieking of the tweets, crooked thoughts, crooked words, crooked. When will we awaken from this dream? I said, hey man, snap out of it. Do you realize your attitude is fossilized? You've got to hang up those quarantine blues and shake down your muddy shoes. For in this most uncertain season, spring is a promise always kept. Check your worries at the door. When it comes to nature, beauty is unmasked. Spring forward, spring over, spring under. Wide open spaces and the in-between places. Catch a ray. Catch a wave. Catch it while you can. We're going where the shoreline greets the sunshine. And the sweetest sound around is the serenade in the shade. This ain't no blue state, and it sure ain't no red state. We're pledging our allegiance to the green state. It's good to be green and see the light. It's good to be green and flirt with the wind. You know, it's even good to be green with envy. Yeah. It's great to be green everywhere. Creatures to the left, creatures to the right. Creatures, picking up the pieces, running around all day. Creatures, scrapping for survival. Creatures in communities. Creatures going their own way. Creatures who procreate. Creatures who recreate. Creatures knowing kindness. Creatures knowing cruelty. Creatures picking up the pieces, running around all day. Creatures scrapping for survival. Nature is so transparent What you see is what you get. No spin and no agenda. A stone is a stone and a flower a flower. And science says there's simply no alternative to that fact, Jack. Nature endures many trials, but with the certainty of gravity, there's always renewal and revival. As the seasons pass so quickly, the promise of spring appears so fragile, defenseless, so very vulnerable, yet so mighty in its moment. Every blossom in the breeze, every crevice in the trees, every seed in the sun, every trickle on the run, through twists and turns and twists of fate, nature just keeps coming back for more. So just remember as you're wandering your pensive trail that it's the nature of all nature to prevail.